Whether you are using Windows 11 or Windows 10 and you want to see how you can simply unzip any file folder on your Windows PC, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can simply unzip any file in your Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let me show you how. First thing first, you want to make sure you open up any folder on your PC. So I'm going to use this folder as an example. I'm going to press enter just to load the folder. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you locate that your zip folder. So I have a zip folder in my download folder right here that I want to use as an example. I'm going to click on download folder right here. So just like so. So you can see the zip folder right here. So I'm going to use this particular one right here. So I'm going to select on it. Then having select on this zip folder, you can see this is a zip folder. Next thing you want to do is to right click. And the next thing you want to do right here is to simply go ahead and make sure you look for WinRAR. Just like so. Then come down below right here and make sure you click on extract to. So go ahead and select on the name of the file. And in a few seconds, you have it here successfully extract. It's that simple. You can now click on the folder and then you have the resource in the folder right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your different kind of file in Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.